Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a new artist suggested by one of you. The song's called Juta Japani by Krishna. It's got a ton of views, so I am excited to see what the hype is about. Let's jump in. Let's jump in. Let's check some comments out so I get excited. This was Umair and Krishna killed it. Okay. Love from Japan. Okay. On loop. Seriously, this is beyond my imagination. Superb, Krishna. Okay. I think people love the song, so I am excited as well. Captions are on. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go.
जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गुची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गुची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा सुनी मैंने बातें बहुत
The visuals are crazy. Yo, this song is starting off strong. Krishna's flexing those luxury brands, the Juta Japani, Armani pants, and Gucci cap. But then he flips it and says, Dil hai Hindustani. That's the perfect mix, man. Global style, but his heart still rooted in India. And straight up swag with that patriotism you love to see, right? Let's play that back.
हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गुची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा सुनी मैंने बातें बहुत है रातें काटी पूछे मेरे साथी कौन थे बातें बाकी लेकिन बाकी मौल थे ना है साथी मेरे को जज्बाती लौंडे असली था तब
The flow switches. The song is getting me really excited. This is where Krishna really shines though. He's calling out all the fake people. Raate kaati puche meri saathi kaun the? He's like, you. Where were you all when I was grinding? Real ones were silent, but now they wanna talk. This is the kind of self-awareness you don't see often in the game. Parades. Parades. Let's play that back.
बातें बाकी लेकिन बाकी मौल थे ना है साथी मेरे को जज्बाती लौंडे असली था तब असली है अब असली में फर्जियां भरती है सब गैंग लगे फौज या वर्दी में सब हैंड ऑन द हीट पहनते गर्मी में ग्लव्स चाहिए बस इनको आसानियां चाहिए
Let's go, Krishna, let's go. Saying he's always been authentic. Asli the tab, asli hai ab. He's been real from the start. Everyone else was faking it, and now he's surrounded by his squad, a real army. The gloves line, that's a subtle nod to staying protected in this game. No matter how hot the pressure gets, his awareness and wordplay are next level. Next level, bro, next level. We need to play that back.
लौंडे असली था तब असली है अब असली में फर्जियां भरती है सब गैंग लगे फौज या वर्दी में सब हैंड ऑन द हीट पहनते गर्मी में ग्लव्स चाहिए बस इनको आसानियां चाहिए बस नाम पर करना है काम नहीं कल पहन के घूम रहे थे निककर आ जा रहे हैं डिस पर ये कोई आसान नहीं फोन रिंग रिंग बहुत बिजी टोपी है गुची जैकेट मॉन्क्लेजी दिल्ली का लड़का चल रहा है मर्सिडीज पर मुंबई में जाते थे नो आगे बिजी बैक ऑन इट आई एम बैक ऑन इट
You tell them, Krishna, you tell them. Krishna is taking tissue shots. He's calling out the fake ones. The ones who want the fame without putting in the real work. Chahiye naam par kaam nahi. They're all talk, no hustle. Krishna is not phased though. He's rapping Delhi, but the Mumbai crowd knows what's up too. It's all about the hustle, no matter where you are.
चल रहे मर्सिडीज पर मुंबई में जाते थे नो आगे बिजी बैक ऑन इट आई एम बैक ऑन इट मुझे कभी नहीं मिले मेरे एक्युरेट एम रहे एक्यूरेट यू कैन पुट अ कैप ऑन इट शी कैन गेट टैप इसी डबल टैप ऑन फ्लो पे नाज है धोखेबाज है लोग दे वो इलाज जो फैलाते रोग रोते आज जब खोते आज है नोट हिंदुस्तानी दिल जो पहना दे वो जूता जापानी ये पतलून
Yo, this is fire. Why haven't I heard this before? He's saying he doesn't need accolades. He's been grinding regardless, right? Aim rahe accurate. His focus is sharp and his flow is sick. It is what it is. And the she can get tapped if she double tap on it. Man, that's a clever way to say he knows how to make waves. Whether it's in music or even on social media. Anywhere. Krishna's everywhere. And then he calls out the haters. Dhokebaz hai log, because he knows there's always someone trying to spread negativity. Fuck you. Just kidding. Let's play that back. That was sick.
On it flow पे नाज है दो calculate aim रहे accurate you can put a cap on it she can get tap इसी double tap on it flow पे नाज है धोखेबाज है लोग दे वो इलाज जो फैलाते रोग रोते आज जब खोते आज है नोट हिंदुस्तानी दिल जो पहना दे वो जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गुची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गुची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा डॉलर तेरे चैन का कत्ल मुझे रहना सफल ये है मेहनत का फल बेटा श्रीनगर जैसे गहरा है दल फ्लो बहता है जल जैसे जैन का दल बेटा नो एक्टर कैंपेन
The hook is very catchy, guys. It's just fixed in my head. I think I'll be singing it all day. This is where Krishna takes it up a notch. $, tera chain ka qatl. The guy saying he's making moves for the money, but it's all earned through hard work, right? At the end of the day, Srinagar jaisa gehra hai dal. The depth of his flow is like the Dal Lake, smooth and deep. His bars are powerful, and you can feel that intensity. I'm actually turning into a fan right now. I'm turning into a fan, guys. I think I'm a Krishna fan now. I am a Krishna fan now.
कैप्चर करूं जब मैं स्टैक वर्ड जाके मेरे ट्रैक जल जल कत्ल मुझे रहना सफल ये है मेहनत का फल बेटा श्रीनगर जैसे गहरा है दल फ्लो बहता है जल जैसे जैन का दल बेटा नो एक्टर कैंपेन कैप्चर करूं जब मैं स्टैक वर्ड जाके मेरे ट्रैक बर्न देखा पैटर्न इनका है बैकवर्ड ऑलवेज न्यू क्रिश हु लिट जैसे पैकर्ड मुझसे मिलके अचानक सारे चिल थे यहां आगे चुए बिल नो एक्टर कैंपेन कैप्चर करूं जब मैं स्टैक वर्ड जाके मेरे ट्रैक बर्न देखा पैटर्न इनका है बैकवर्ड ऑलवेज न्यू क्रिश हु लिट जैसे पैकर्ड मुझसे मिलके अचानक
Krishna flexes here, no actor campaign or captured. Meaning he's not pretending. When he spits, it's pure. It's pure. He's been ahead of the curve and he knows it. I always knew Krish, who lit Jesse Packard. Pro. He's letting us know he's been on this level and his moves were always calculated. That's the mark of a real artist. He knew he was good. He knew it.
जल जैसे जैन का दल बेटा नो एक्टर कैंपेन कैप्चर करूं जब मैं स्टैक वर्ड जाके मेरे ट्रैक बर्न देखा पैटर्न इनका है बैकवर्ड ऑलवेज न्यू क्रिश हु लिट जैसे पैकर्ड मुझसे मिलके अचानक सारे चिल थे यहां भागे चुए बिल में हैरानी होती स्किल पे देखे कितने जो आए मुझसे भिड़ने बना दी मैंने फिल्म में हिरानी लोग स्किल से इरादे दिखाता.
The contrast here is crazy. People were all chill when Krishna was rising, but now they are shocked by his skills. It's that underdog mentality, the ones who did not believe in you and now stunned by your success. This had a ton of views. I think it had like what, 10 million views, 40 million views. Banadi Maine film mein, he's literally making movies with his bars.
ऑलवेज न्यू क्रिश हु लिट जैसे पैकर्ड मुझसे मिलके अचानक सारे चिल थे यहां भागे चुए बिल में हैरानी होती स्किल पे देखे कितने जो आए मुझसे भिड़ने बना दी मैंने फिल्म में हिरानी लोग स्किल से इरादे दिखाता वादे नहीं करता इन हाथों में ताकत है बातें नहीं करता ये करते इबादत में आदर नहीं करता वो करता शरारत पर नारद नहीं लगता जूता जबानी यू नो हाउ आई एम स्टेपिंग आताना है सीना कटाना ये वेपन दे नो हाउ आई किक इट कजामा ये टेकिंग गॉट डेल ऑन माय बैक लाइक लाना आई एम रैपिंग हानिकारक बार यानी घातक बार
Wait. Let's play that back once again. Sorry. I got a little carried away. I didn't hear him.
मैंने फिल्म में हिरानी लगू स्किल से इरादे दिखाता वादे नहीं करता इन हाथों में ताकत है बातें नहीं करता ये करते इबादत में आदर नहीं करता वो करता शरारत पर नारद नहीं लगता जूता जबानी you know how I'm stepping आताना है सीना कटाना ये weapon they know how I kick it kazama ये tagging got Dell on my back like Lana I'm rapping
What is dope? Krishna saying he's all about action, no empty promises. हाथों में ताकत है बातें नहीं करता. He lets his work speak for itself. The katana and weapon bars, straight fire. Straight fire. Showing he's got the skills to handle whatever comes his way. And of course, he's rapping Delhi proudly. I believe it. Fire. This guy is fire. Thanks to whoever suggested me to check out Krishna. He's amazing. He's amazing.
करता शरारत पर नारद नहीं लगता जूता जबानी you know how I'm stepping आताना है सीना कटाना ये weapon they know how I kick it kazama ये tagging got Dell on my back like Lana I'm rapping हानिकारक बार जानी घातक बार सारी आतंकबाज जारी भागमबाज जाली नाटकबाज मारी हाथों हाथ भारतवासी आज करते भारी राज जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गूंची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता जापानी ये पतलून अरमानी सर पे आज टोपी गूंची फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी मेरा
Krishna wraps it up with a heavy punch. Hanikarak. Bass. Lethal, right? Bomb dropping bass that shake the game. His impact is massive and he's just warming up. He's letting everyone know he is here to take over. I'm here to take over. Here to take over. I'm gone crazy. The video production quality is on another level, right? Man, that was intense track from Krishna. His flow switches were on point and the wordplay was crazy. He really knows how to balance style, storytelling and lyricism. The references were top tier and the confidence in his delivery is unmatched. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reactions. Let me know what else you want to see from Krishna or any other artist. I would love to check more of Krishna because he is fire. Catch you on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.